Seen me do this before, so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to remove my polish. You guys don't need to see that part. Let's get to the nitty gritty of things. To let you know that I am going to begin off normally as you would by putting on my base gel and then my base gel color. Everything was going wonderful. I was putting on my base gel color. After I cured that, I went on ahead and put the glue on, cured that, and then this is where things changed. So here I am using the Beetles. By the way, all the products are by Beetles. I am applying what is going to be my gel base color polish, and it's looking kind of nice, if I might say. I actually started saying to myself, maybe I'll just do the white and be done. But no, I had to embellish. So guys, in my experience, using Beetles, I would say, you have to get a good amount of the nail glue on, because if you don't, and you have to cure it properly too, and make sure that it's done, because I wanted that tackiness to happen so that that nail foil art will transfer. Well, you'll see. It wasn't a solid transfer. It was almost looking like a splatter or a marbling where you can see the white underneath, and the thumbnail will really reveal what I was experiencing. Nail techs, help me out. I'm not sure if this new polish by Beetles and the nail glue that I have by Beetles is working well together. I've used the former Beetles gel polish and the glue together before, and I've gotten a super tacky finish after curing the gel, whereas this one, it was just slightly sticky, and this is after aptly curing it. I wasn't going to try to reapply this process over and over. I had to figure out something, and then I remembered that I had my mirror chrome powder polish. Let me show you. I need some silicone. These things, I don't know why these things can be hard to open sometimes. So I had a piece of silicone. I find that when I use the silicone to use as a grip, it works. So I'm looking at this. This is looking a little golden, although it's more of a brassy color. You guys know how I feel about gold. So let me look at it first. So of those three colors, I chose the copper. I don't know if there's a lot of people out there that like copper, but I happen to really like it. And then I actually figured I would use the lip embellishment for my nail as well, if I can show you guys it. Anyway, that is what I have chosen. Now let me show you how I came about, for real this time, the design. It's at this point that I end up getting a eureka as to what to do with my nails. Now, I did put a thin top coat on, cured it, and then the metallic took to my nail, but it is not sealed yet. And you're gonna tell the actual recording, because this is not me doing a voiceover. This is in real time. This is what I'm gonna go for. Oh, that blue showing through actually kind of looks neat. You know what, you guys? This is what always happens to me. Maybe I like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. See? Y'all don't believe me now. You seeing it live in living color. I think that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. Okay, guys, for some reason, I had to put a very thin top coat, clear coat that is, of the gel polish on my thumbnail, cure it, and then apply the chrome polish in that fashion. For whatever reason, I'm not even questioning it. I'm happy that I figured out a solution. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I take a fine detailed brush, and the areas that I might have missed on the curved areas, I just reapply that top gel coat over again and cure it, and then get over there in the crevices of my nail. There's lots of options you can do in doing your nails right, and this was just one for me. It wasn't intended, but the outcome ended being really well, and it worked out. I have not yet put a top coat on this chrome mirror finish, so I was able to take a paper towel and take off the little bit of the excess that was on my index finger so that it looked like the rest of the nails. I hope you've enjoyed the video today and that those of you who do not do your nails, that it inspires you to do your own nails and come up with your own designs. And by the way, it made me feel good because I got compliment on my nails today. So it worked out in the end. You guys take care and be safe out there. Bye-bye.